today I was going to make a little bit of a place to put your phone, your key, your wallet after you come home from work, should I say. Anyway, let's get into the quick drawing of the plan. I'm thinking it should be something square, something nice. Not the best drawing, I get that. It's going to have a nice edge on it, so it'll be right like that. Essentially that's going to be this, so I'm going to make this out of 184 by 184, and these boards are probably going to be 50 by 5, so I'm going to glue them onto there so it gets a nice little edge. Nice little feature in a border wall so things don't fall off or anything like that. Let's get into it.